Please be reminded that this 5-day workshop is aimed at those who are applying from outside the UK as a fiancé, proposed civil partner, spouse, civil partner, or unmarried partner, and their partner is a British citizen or a foreign national with settled status or permanent residence in the UK, or they have refugee or humanitarian protection status in the UK, or they are an EU citizen with settled or pre-settled status in the UK. So this workshop is not for applicants who are already in the UK and who are applying to extend their current spouse or partner visa, nor is this workshop for those who are in the UK on another immigration route and who want to switch to the partner route while they are in the UK. And please also note that this workshop is also not for those who are dependents of skilled worker visa holders. So what is the 5-day workshop about and who can it help? Before we start, I'd like to clarify that I use partner visa as opposed to spouse visa, which most people refer to it as. Please note that they are one and the same. I use the term partner visa because this visa not only includes those who are applying as a spouse, but also those who are applying as a fiancé, proposed civil partner, or unmarried partner. I created this 5-day workshop to help people access relevant and useful information that they can use to guide them effectively through the UK spouse visa application process. While it may be true that most of the information you need is available online for free, unfortunately, it is also true that most of the information can be very overwhelming, especially for those who do not know which information is relevant and which is not. It can also be a minefield, and some of the information posted online can be confusing, too generic, or worse, contradictory and therefore unhelpful. Also, I understand that not many people have the financial means to hire a solicitor or a legal advisor to advise and assist them with their application until they receive a decision. The massive increase in the Home Office fees is also preventing people from seeking professional help, prompting couples to prepare their applications themselves. To confirm, the current UK VI fee for the partner visa is £1,846, and the current immigration health surcharge, or IHS fee, is £3,105 per applicant. This is already a huge total of £4,951, which is a guideline only, meaning that the applicant may actually be paying more than this amount, depending on the currency exchange rate on the day that they pay the fees, since the fees are paid in USD or in applicant's local currency. The fees have significantly increased over the years, and it is possible that this will only continue to increase in the future. This 5-day workshop is based on my exclusive framework called the 5-stage partner visa process, which my team and I apply for all our full service clients who are applying from outside the UK to join their partners in the UK permanently on a long-term basis. This framework is a result of all the hard work, experience, and skill I have acquired over the years. It has helped my team and I to navigate through the legal minefield as efficiently and as effectively as possible. This framework has helped all of our clients to get successful results time and time again. We're not allowed to give a percentage of our success rate, but suffice to say that we are very proud of the hundreds of clients we have represented and helped using our framework. This is how much my team and I believe in this framework. So what is the 5-day workshop about and who can it help? The aim of the 5-day workshop is to provide you with an overview of what the process involves from start to finish. While this should give you an overall bigger picture of how to prepare and submit your partner visa application, please note that it is not a fully comprehensive information. Please also note that I am not including children who are also applying for entry clearance as child dependents of the main applicants. This workshop will focus on one applicant only, who is the person applying for the partner visa. So, as I said earlier, the formal term is called the partner visa, which not only includes those who are applying as a spouse, but also those who are applying as a fiancé, proposed civil partner, or as an unmarried partner. So, this workshop is for all of these applicants. What is the 5-stage partner visa application process? So the 5 stages are: stage 1 is all about the fundamentals, which includes understanding what the 5-year partner route is, who it applies to, and the importance of knowing what the legal requirements are that must be met, and why it is vital for the applicant and their partner to familiarize themselves with the requirements before starting the application process. Stage 2 is all about the supporting documents and the vital role that they play with regards to your application. This stage is where you start to have an idea of the type of documents that you need to submit with your application, and subsequently formulating your tailored list of documents to help you prepare and gather these documents. This is when you merge what you learned about the requirements for the partner visa application with your individual set of circumstances to help you work out which type of documents you should submit based on your situation and which also meet the requirements. This stage also teaches you how to efficiently organize and create a system where you can store these documents securely, which will then help you with where and how to submit your supporting documents to the UKVI. Stage 3 is learning about the application form that must be completed and submitted, and what it means to submit a valid application to the UKVI, which relevant application must be completed and why this is important, where to complete it, when to complete it, and most importantly, how to complete it correctly. This stage also covers how to formally submit the application form and how to pay the UKVI and immigration health surcharge fees, as well as the priority service fee. Stage 4 is all about the biometric stage. So what this is, and when, where, and how to book this, and most importantly, why this must be booked and attended. Stage 5 is all about the steps you need to take and or know about before, during, and after your biometric appointment. This stage also covers what you need to do when you get the decision from the UKVI, whether this is positive or negative.